Let's get the day started. You heard? Wake and bake. Fuck with these beats real quick. Layered the shit out. You know what I'm saying? I'm tracking it out right now. Let y'all hear what I got so far. Peace and prosperity to all of humanity, by the way. Resist the so-called powers that be. The only power that be is you, nigga. You heard? But let's get to the music. Fuck all that philosophical shit. You heard? Let's go. See what I got. Six, 1, 5, 7, 6, 8. All right, here we go, y'all. Let's see what we got. I'll put this shit out sometime next week. Check me out on United Masters. Instagram, Facebook, all that shit. I can't post this one on TikTok because I'm burning the motherfucking tree, you know, burning the branch. Them niggas be hating. But it'll be on all other platforms, you heard? Peace and prosperity to all of humanity. Buy one, get one free next week. Pagan holiday beat sale, you heard? Peace.